Good morning students. Today I will discuss about 11th Mathematics NCERT exercise 3.3. I am going to solving some problems of exercise 3.3. Students, the first question is prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is minus 1 by 2. At first, discuss about what is the value of pi? 180 degree. So sin square pi by 6 means pi by 6 is 30 degree. So putting the value of, at first write LHS. Sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Putting the value of pi by 6, that is 30 degrees, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sin square 30 means 1 by 2 square plus cos square pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 180 by 3, which is 60 degree. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square minus tan square pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45, tan 45 is 1. So putting the value of tan pi by 4 is 1. Tan square pi by 4 means 1 square. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 minus 1, which is 2 minus 4 by 4 minus 2 by 4 is minus half. Is RHS been successfully proved. Students, prove that this is minus half. Very simple in this case. Putting the value of pi by 6, pi by 3, tan pi by 4. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Sin square pi by 6 is 1 by 2 whole square. Cos square pi by 3. Cos square pi by 3 means cos pi by 3. Putting the value of cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square. Tan square pi by 4. Putting the value of tan by 4 is 1. Tan square pi by 4 means 1 square. Then evaluate. Take screenshot. Question 2. Sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 into cos square pi by 3 is 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. Student, at first 2 into sin square pi by 6 cos square 7 pi by 6. You cannot find the value of 7 pi by 6. So this can be written at first 2 sin square pi by 6, that is 2 sin square pi by 6. Pi by 6 is sin pi by 6 is 30. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square plus you can write cosec square 7 pi by 6. Cosec 7 pi by 6 you can write pi plus pi by 6 whole square into cos square pi by 3 means pi by 3 is 60. 180 by 3 is 60. Cos square 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Sorry, 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. Next, 2 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus, student, cosec pi plus pi by 6. This is pi by 2, this is pi. Pi plus pi by 6 means pi plus pi by 6. This angle where cosec is negative, all are positive, sin cosec is positive, tan cot is positive, sec cos is positive. In third quadrant cosec is negative. So you can write plus minus cosec pi by 6 whole square into 1 by 4. 1 by 2 plus cosec 30. Student, you can write cosec 30, putting the value of cosec 30, that is 2, so minus 2. Minus 2 square into 1 by 4. 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4, 4 cancel. So 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 plus 2 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Is RHS successfully proved. Take screenshot. Question number 3. Cot square pi by 6. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosec square 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is 6. Student, at first putting the value of cot pi by 6 and tan pi by 6, but we have no value of cosec 5 pi by 6. This can be converted as 5 plus or 5 minus angle. At first, putting the value of cot pi by 6, that is cot 30 degree. What is the value of cot 30? Root 3. You can write root 3. That is root 3 is whole square. Plus, you can write cosec square 5 by 6 is cosec pi minus pi by 6 whole square. That is 6 into pi, 6 pi minus pi, is 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 is, student, 30 degree. That is tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So you can write 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square. Next, root 3 square is 3 plus cosec pi minus pi by 6 is plus cosec pi by 6 or minus cosec pi by 6. See, cosec pi, this is the pi minus pi by 6. So this lie in second quadrant where cosec is positive. So you can write cosec pi by 6 whole square, that you can write cosec square pi by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 3. You can now putting the value of cosec pi by 6, that is cosec 30 degree. What is the value of cosec 30 degree? Students, cosec 30 is 2. So 3 plus, you can find cosec 30 2, that is 2 square, sorry, cosec 30, pi by 6 is cosec 30, find the value of cosec 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2, that is 2 plus 1, 3 cancel, that is 1. So 3 to 5 plus 1 is 6. This is your answer. Sorry students, no, this is not cosec square. Where is it? So this is not cosec square. Question was wrong. So you can again see cot square pi by 6. That is the value of cot pi by 6 is root 3 square. Cosec pi by 6. This can be written as cosec pi minus pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 plus 3 into tan pi by 6. The value is 1 by root 3. That is 3 into 1 by root 3 square. Again, root 3 square is 3. Cosec pi minus pi by 6 is cosec pi by 6. That is positive cosec pi by 6 pi. The cosec pi by 6 is cosec pi by 6 is lies in the second quadrant. So cosec is positive plus cosec pi by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 3. 3 is cancelled. Putting the value of cosec pi by 6 is 2. Take screenshot. Question number 4. You can write 2 sin square 3 pi by 4. 2 sin square 3 pi upon 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is 10. Starts with LHS. You can now 2 into sin square 3 pi by 4. You can written as sin pi minus pi by 4 whole square plus 2 cos square pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is cos 45. 45's value is 1 by root 2. You can write 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 sec square pi by 3. What is the value of pi by 3? 60. Sec 60's value you can put now. Sec 60 is also 1 by 2. Sec 60 is 2. Why 2 sec 60 is 2? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sec 60 2. So 2 into 2 square. You can write next sin pi minus pi by 4. You can write this is pi minus pi by 4 is second quadrant lies, that is positive sign. So 2 into sin pi by 4 sin square pi by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4, that is 8. You can write 2 into sin square pi by 4. Student, pi by 4 is 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, that is you can write 1 by root 2 square plus 2 cancel, 1 plus 8. 2 into 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 8. You can also write 2 cancel, so 1 plus 1 plus 8, that is 10. Here is the averages. Take screenshot. Number 5. Question number 5. Student, find the value of sin 75, double I is tan 50. Now starts with I with sin 75. Student, we have not well known about the value of sin 75 in the table value. So we can write sin 75 as sin 45 plus 30. You can write sin 75, you can write as sin 45 plus 30. Now you can put the formula sin x plus y. What is the formula of sin x plus y? You can write sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Now putting these values, sin 45 that you may consider x, 30 consider y. Sin x plus y, the formula of sin x plus y is sin x, that means sin 45 into cos y, that is cos 30, plus cos x into sin y, that means cos 45 into sin y means sin 30. Putting the value of sin 45, which is 1 by root 2 into cos 30, that means cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now this can be, this is two terms are multiplied, that is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 2 root 2. This is the value of sin 75. Now text insert. Now double I tan 15. Student, tan 15 can be written as tan 45 minus 30. Can be written? Okay. Suppose in this case tan x minus y to be applied. So write the formula of tan x minus y. Who can say tan x minus y? Student, who can say tan x minus y? Write down tan x minus tan y. Tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x into tan y. Student, this is the formula of tan x minus y. So you can consider tan 45 as x, 30 as y. Tan x minus y, putting the values, tan 45 minus tan y means tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Now putting the table value of tan 45, tan 45 is 1, tan 30. Student, you can now put the value of tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. 1 minus, that is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 will divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3. You can write as root 3 upon root 3, root 3 plus 1 by root 3. That is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. This is an irrational, so you can be rationalize the denominator. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. Also you can multiply in denominator root 3 minus 1. So this same can be multiplied with the numerator root 3 minus 1.
So root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1 whole square. That is a square minus a minus b whole square. That is root 3 square is 3 plus b square 1 minus 2 root 3. Root 3 square is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1. That is 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. This can be written as 4 minus 2, 2 can taken as common. 2 minus root 3 by 2, 2 cancel, the answer is 2 minus root 3. Student, tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. Take screenshot.